can do this.
No, I can't do that.
See?
What see?
See? It's a bathroom. See, Mama? See? It's a bathroom, Mama.
Tarunga gyud taw nimo oy. So you want me to carry you? Cause you want to sleep in my hands.
You can sleep by hand.
This is why I told you, do not bring your trolley.
Hold this, Mama.
Okay?
And I can sleep. Put your foot in with the bucket. Here. Put it here, Mama. Come on, give you. Go there. Like here. Here, pocket. You forget. Here. You forget.
No, I'm not gonna put my phone in the pocket. And I can't carry you because you're too heavy.
I want to put it.
You're too heavy. I told you, do not bring your trolley so I can carry you, yeah?
I want to sleep here.
No, you can't sleep there. Come, let's go. We're almost home.
I want to sleep here.
We're almost home. Stop arguing with mommy. We have to go home. We're almost home.
Here. I want to sleep. I want to sleep here.
Careful.
I want to sleep here.
You can't sleep here. Ganahan gyud siya matog diri agyahak ng bata. This is for your toy, Malaya.
I want to sleep.
We're almost home. Look, we're almost home. That's our house there, okay? Come. Stop making drama. Okay, you want to sleep there? Okay, sleep. Show me how to sleep. Show me how you sleep. It's broken. You're gonna broke your toy. Look, it's broken. Look, you see that? You see the wheels? Okay, show me how to sleep. Show me.
Where's another one? Where is this?
Huh?
Here.
Show me how to sleep, Malaya. See, I told you. You broken your toy. Look, you see that? Oh no! That's broken. Come on. Okay, show me how to sleep. Grabe, gahiag yun ni mo now, Malaya. Sige, good. Now?
Help me.
How can I help you? This is for your doll, Malaya. That's not for yours.
Take out this, Mama.
Oh, you really cry.
Take out this. Take out this, Mama. Please, my papa. Take out my papa first.
Okay, come.
Take
Okay, I'm going to carry you. Come, let's go. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye, vlog.
Bye-bye, vlog. It's a vlog.
Yeah, it's a vlog. Give a kiss. Like kiss. Ah! I need a kiss.
It's a vlog.
Yeah, it's a vlog. Okay. You're making drama in your vlog. Come.
Take out my dear.